Sun, not to go sun. No, I don't want to touch it.
Okay, touch it and then sing your songs. Okay, now stop and sing your songs, please.
Sun, sun, not to go sun. Please shine down on me.
And what's the other one?
Jesus loved me, if I know this. When the Bible to read it. Yes. Now can I touch it? Look that on the night one minute. Which is like that night one on the bed.
You're silly. What is that? Oh, what is this?
A book.
Which book is it?
Jesus.
Jesus. Can I see? Where'd you get that Jesus book?
From Elka.
No, from Miss Amber.
Yep. Remember.
Why?
Because I don't want. I need to get my eyes.
Okay, well then we're all done.
No.
Blow kisses. No. Say it loud.
Hawks.
What?
Hawks.
Are you all done?
No.
Are you ready for bed?
No.
You are?
Let's go to my bedroom and get a movie and watch it in your bedroom.
You're not watching it in my bedroom. Get your finger out of your nose. You can watch a movie in your room, but not Mommy's room.
But I watch Halloween Town in there.
You want to watch Halloween Town?
Yeah. But I want my new Halloween Town.
Okay. Are you done with this video?
Yeah.
Okay, blow kisses and say night-night.
Good night, night.